Ka National Commission for Women NCW kan penlong ya ka jingwat bniah halor ka benta ka bayade be ka jingnang bon jang longkmie ke ba khlem lok ha ka Jylla Meghalaya ka ba ajat cha ka kami habakren shikilap thai khubor ha ka pratrik naitung ka chairperson ka NCW ka Rekha Sharma kalaong ka Meghalaya la dapi penpa bagi dan bon ki longkmie ke ba khlem lok namar ka jinglet don bor nganjin de la kemen palat ban penlong ka jingwat bniah halor ka ni ngan kentu ya ka kong Delhi na kong duk ka badai ka dekhot ke NCW bahkan wat benia bat ban khmi kumno ngila banyarap yaki Henry ka jingkala marwe khlem lok da ka bajet nga tharai amdan kam bantuklar Henry la dai ki kala long da ka bajaring khat ne da ka basha le be ijot hai kino la ne sha le don bor ka ne ka de ka weipat ka man hang ne ngi ha bantuklar banyarap yaki kala ong Katkum kakai pot halor ka exploratory study on the socio-economic status and problems of single mothers in Meghalaya, ya kabalale dak State Commission for Women ha UR hajar RPR, kidan hadu lai hajar nyopu prangot ki longkmie baklam long, ha ki hinyo trik district na pedeng ki khar tli ki baladap le survey. Laong ba hadu 0.0% ki dei ki bamnang bantho ni puli, kat ba RPR 0.0% kidai badang pendap tang ya ka primary school. Namar ka jingsha no ne kala riu kenthei kini kilong kumi kilaha ban kit hi ya la kalingkor ban penya ya ka yeng ka sam. Shu ha ka ni ka ju ka si ka National Commission for Women NCW but Meghalaya Biodiversity Board kelas dang ya ka regional workshop ba arsingi halor ka non-timber forest produce NTFP hanong ba Shillong shibenta ban plilat ya ka jingkiu ka yok kakot kabayay ne bat kentiu ya kas jingseng kam lajong ha kanong rim NTFP hapdeng ki longkmie riu luom jong kathan ha ka jingsdang ya ka regional capacity building workshop bat conference ka chairperson NCW ka Rekha Sharma kalaban jor halor ka jingkong san jong ka jingkiu ka jinglat luit ha ka yok ka kot hapdeng ki longkmie hanong ba Shillong
I think the number you are talking about, it is also because women are now aware of their rights and they are coming forward and speaking. That's why we see that number is, it seems that it is increasing. And media, you people are also now working around the clock and putting things for the world to see that these things are happening to the women. So number, yes, you can see, and police is also working around the clock and they are registering cases. So number is increasing, but I think we need to work on everywhere. I can say that northeastern area is still very safe for women if you compare with the plains of India, or if you compare with the north of India. There the kind of cases which are brutal against women are more, but still we need to work. There should not be even single case against women, and women should be safe and secure anywhere and everywhere, any part of India, and we are working, NCW is working on it. Yeah, if you are suggesting that there are many by forcefully they are becoming single mother, I would happily work on it and do a research. I'll ask Delina to do research and we'll see how we can help them. Single mothers by choice, if they are by choice, I think there is no need to intervene. If they have become by accident or raped by somebody or forced by somebody, that's a different issue. That there we can intervene and help her out. But if they are single mother by choice, that's their right.